Russia, a vast and diverse country spanning 2 continents, is a land of contrasts, blending rich history, cultural treasures, and breathtaking landscapes. Exploring the vibrant capital of Moscow and embarking on the legendary Trans-Siberian Railway journey offer an unforgettable glimpse into the heart and soul of this magnificent nation. Here's a detailed exploration of what awaits in Russia. Hello and welcome to our channel. You are watching Actually Explained. Before further diving into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and do follow us on our other social media platforms. 1. Moscow, the capital of contrasts. Moscow is a city where tradition and modernity converge. The iconic Red Square, with the striking St. Basil's Cathedral and the grandeur of the Kremlin, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Russia's history. The Kremlin complex houses historic cathedrals, the presidential residence, and the Armory Chamber, home to a stunning collection of royal treasures. The Bolshoi Theater, a pinnacle of Russian performing arts, showcases ballet and opera performances. 2. Trans-Siberian Railway, an epic journey. The Trans-Siberian Railway is one of the world's most legendary train journeys, spanning over 9,000 kilometers from Moscow to Vladivostok in the Russian Far East. The journey offers a remarkable immersion into Russia's diverse landscapes, from the lush forests of the Ural Mountains to the vast Siberian steppes. Yekaterinburg, the city where the last Russian Tsar was executed, is a historic stop along the route, as is Irkutsk, a gateway to the stunning Lake Baikal. 3. Lake Baikal, the Pearl of Siberia. Lake Baikal, the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake, is a natural wonder located in Siberia. Its pristine waters and unique ecosystem are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The lake's breathtaking vistas, frozen landscapes in winter, and opportunities for trekking and boating make it a captivating destination. 4. Ural Mountains and Cultural Heritage. The Ural Mountains, dividing Europe and Asia, hold cultural and historical significance, with charming towns like Kazan and Perm offering insights into Russia's multicultural fabric. Kazan is known for the stunning Kul Sharif Mosque and its blend of Tatar and Russian cultures. 5. Siberian Wilderness and Nomadic Traditions. The Trans-Siberian journey introduces travelers to Siberia's wild beauty, showcasing vast taiga forests, mighty rivers, and remote settlements. Meeting indigenous peoples, such as the Buryats, and experiencing their nomadic traditions adds a unique cultural dimension. 6. Vladivostok, gateway to the east. Vladivostok, located on the Pacific coast, marks the end of the Trans-Siberian Railway. This bustling port city is a melting pot of cultures and a bridge to the Asian continent. 7. Russian hospitality and cuisine. Russian hospitality is warm and genuine, with locals eager to share their traditions, stories, and cultural heritage. Traditional Russian cuisine, including hearty borscht, pelmeni, and blini, offers a taste of the country's flavors. 8. Art, literature, and heritage. Russia has a rich artistic and literary heritage, with museums, galleries, and literary sites paying homage to great figures like Tolstoy, Dostoevsky, and Pushkin. Magnificent Russia offers an immersive journey through time and space, from the historic heart of Moscow to the vastness of Siberia on the Trans-Siberian Railway. The experience encompasses the grandeur of Russian architecture, the tranquility of its natural landscapes, and the warmth of its people. Whether exploring cultural treasures in Moscow or crossing the continent by rail, the adventure through Russia's rich tapestry leaves travelers with lasting memories of a land of contrasts and captivating beauty. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share this if you find this useful. Goodbye.